Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shweta Saxena. I am here again for your next revision lecture on teratogenesis. Every parent hopes that their baby will be healthy, but some babies are born with developmental anomalies. Teratogenesis is a prenatal toxicity characterized by congenital malformations, may be structural or functional, in the developing embryo or fetus. The study of causes and underlying mechanisms of such abnormalities are called as teratology. Hillary in 1832 coined the term teratology. Teratology is derived from Greek word terata, which means monster. The deformed fetus is known as terata. Developmental malformations are also sometimes called birth defects, congenital malformations, or congenital anomalies. An anomaly is considered a change from normal development and can affect structure and function. It may be due to exposure or administration of teratogens. Now, types of developmental anomalies. Birth defects are divided into two main types: structural anomalies, in which problems are seen with the shape of a body part, and functional disorders, in which problems exist with how a body part works. Structural anomalies includes conditions such as spina bifida, cleft palate, phocomelia, club feet, congenital heart defects, etc. Whereas functional anomalies includes disease like hemophilia, albinism, sickle cell anemia, etc. Here are some slides which shows structural anomalies. In the current slide, we can see the condition of developmental failure. In first condition of amylase, both arms and legs may be entirely absent. In the condition of phocomelia, the proximal part of the limbs may be missing. And in the last figure of 1C, hemimylase condition, in which the distal part may be missing. Next slide is of developmental axis, which in case of polydactyly and in case of Siamese. Polydactyly, meaning many fingers, is a condition in which a person has more than 5 fingers per hand or 5 toes per foot. It is the most common birth defect of the hand and foot. In figure 2C, Siamese condition, which is a condition in which conjoined twins develop when an early embryo partially separates to form two individuals. Most conjoined twins are stillborn or die shortly after birth. The babies are often attached at the chest, pelvis, or buttocks. The twins may share organs. Next slide shows developmental arrest. For example, dwarfism. A common cause of dwarfism is a genetic mutation that arrests bone growth. In this slide, we can see failure to subdivide condition. In figure A, syndactyly is shown. Syndactyly is a condition wherein two or more digits are fused together. The fingers or toes are webbed or joined at birth. Next condition is sympodiia or sirenomelia, also known as mermaid syndrome, is a rare congenital deformity in which the legs are fused together. Next condition is cyclopia, which is a rare form of congenital disorder or birth defects characterized by the failure of the embryonic prosencephalon to properly divide the orbits of the eye into two cavities. Here are some figures which show spina bifida, club foot and meromelia. Spina bifida occurs during the 3rd and 4th weeks of pregnancy when a portion of the fetal spinal cord fails to properly close. As a result, the child is born with a part of the spinal cord exposed on the back. Clubfoot refers to a condition in which a newborn's foot appear to be rotated internally at the ankle. The foot points down and inwards and the soles of the feet face each other. Meromelia refers to condition in which the middle parts of limbs are disproportionately short. Next, we will focus on teratogens or environmental factors which causes teratogenicity. The agents or substances which can be chemical and other environmental factors causes malformations in developing embryo is known as teratogens. The development of a normal phenotype requires both a normal genotype and a favorable environment. Teratogenesis can therefore be due to either abnormal genotype or the environment. The exposure to teratogens during prenatal or postnatal leads to manifestations of developmental toxicity, which includes structural abnormalities, altered growth, functional deficiencies, or even death of the developing embryo. Teratogens are discovered after an increased prevalence of a particular birth defect, as in case of phocomelia. About 60 years ago, thalidomide was prescribed to treat morning sickness in pregnant women, which was followed the biggest man-made medical disaster ever, where over 10,000 children were born with phocomelia as a side effect of the drug thalidomide, resulting in the shortening or absence of limbs. And other one case is Minamata disease, which was first discovered in Minamata city in Japan in 1956. It was caused by the release of methyl mercury in the industrial wastewater from a chemical factory. This highly toxic chemical bioaccumulated and biomagnified in shellfish and fish in Minamata Bay, which when eaten by the local population resulted in mercury poisoning. It is a neurological disorder. Symptoms include numbness in the hands and feet, general muscle weakness, loss of peripheral vision, and damage to hearing and speech. A congenital form of the disease can also affect fetuses in the womb and induces blindness. There are 6 principles of teratology given by James G. Wilson. These are as follows. First is genetic susceptibility. According to James G. Wilson, susceptibility to teratogenesis depends on the genotype of the conceptus. Second one is developmental stage. According to this, susceptibility to teratogen varies with the developmental stage at the time of exposure. Mechanism. James G. Wilson was sure that teratogenic agents act in specific ways or mechanisms on developing cells and tissues. Next one, the end result of teratogen includes death, malformations, growth, retardation and functional disorders. Next principle is the excess of adverse environmental influences to developing tissue depends on the nature of the agent. And the last principle why James G. Wilson said that manifestations of deviant development increases in degree as doses increases from the no effect to the totally lethal level. Now, sensitivity for teratogenicity. The embryo becomes most susceptible to the effects of various teratogens in embryonic stage. This period generally ends in the 14th week of the gestation period in humans. In this period, cells undergo intensive differentiation, mobilization and organization, and most of the organogenesis takes place. Teratogens unlikely to cause morphological defects during pre-differentiation and fetal stages, but they may induce functional abnormalities in fetal stage. There are 2 main causes of teratogenesis. First one is genetic factor, which includes mutation and chromosomal anomalies, and other one is environmental factor, which includes biotic and abiotic factor. Biotic factor includes infectious agents like HIV, rubella, herpes, cytomegalovirus, etc. For example, in case of rubella virus, causes miscarriage, fetal death or birth of an infant with spina bifida. Cytomegaloviruses disrupts normal cellular differentiation and morphogenesis pathway, which results in serious neurodevelopmental disorders including mental retardation, cerebral palsy and sensory neural hearing loss. Now, abiotic factors, which includes physical agents, metabolic condition, drugs and chemicals. First, we will start with physical agents such as ionizing radiation, temperature, noise. All are known to have adverse effect on fetal development. Ionizing radiation like X-rays and gamma rays have deep penetrating power, can cause mutations in germ cells, chromosomal fragmentation and altered DNA structure, etc. The common teratogenic effects of radiation exposure are defects in the brain and eyes such as microcephaly, mental retardation, optic atrophy and cataract. The dose of radiation as well as the stage of development determines the severity of effects. Now, temperature. Hyperthermia result in central nervous system malformations, microcephaly, abdominal wall defects, eye and palate defects and limb reduction. Now, metabolic conditions which affects uh, teratogenesis, such as hormonal disorders like diabetes and thyroid. In diabetes, excessive blood sugar causes neural tube defects, birth defects of brain and spinal cord, whereas hypoglycemia causes heart defects. Thyroid disorders causes miscarriage, preterm labor, lower IQ score in the children. Now, drugs and chemicals includes alcohol, cocaine, thalidomide, vitamin A, smoking, and xenobiotics like pesticides, pollutants, dyes, etc. Severe malformations such as phocomelia is caused by drug thalidomide, whereas alcohol causes fetal alcohol syndrome, in which fetus suffer from microcephaly, mental retardation. Retinoic acid or vitamin A, if given in excess to the pregnant females during early pregnancy, causes abnormalities in ear, micrognatha, agnatha, cleft palate, and central nervous system abnormalities. Other common abnormalities includes polydactyly, syndactyly, myelomeningocele, club foot, cleft lip, cleft palate, and incomplete closure of the urethra of male. Now, last, significance. Teratology is very important to human welfare because the congenital malformations constitute the fifth biggest cause of perinatal mortality rate in India. And by knowing the effect of teratogen, new safe therapeutic drugs can be developed for pregnant women. And study of teratogenesis is also important in preventing congenital abnormalities and spontaneous abortions. Thank you.